Hello students, welcome to SmartKidz tutorials. In this video we'll be solving question number 1 from exercise 9.2, and it says in the figure ABCD is a parallelogram, AE is perpendicular to DC and CF is perpendicular to AD. If AB is equal to 16 centimeters, AE is equal to 8 centimeters and CF is equal to 10 centimeters, find AD. So this is a parallelogram. We are given ABCD and we are also given that AE is perpendicular to DC and CF is perpendicular to AD. We are also given that AB is 16 centimeters here, AE is 8 centimeters, this altitude is 8 centimeters, and CF, the other altitude, is also given. The length of it is 10 centimeters. What we are asked to find out is this length of this AD, and what we'll have to do is first find the area of this parallelogram, and from that area of parallelogram we will be able to find out the length of AD. So let's begin with solving this problem. So let's begin with what we have got. We'll just list down what we have got. We've got AB equal to 16 centimeters, then AE equal to 8 centimeters, and CF is equal to 10 centimeters. Now if we are going to take the area of the parallelogram, that is ABCD, it is given as base into height, and if we take the base that has been given, we have been given AB. Now AB can be taken equal to DC because opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal to each other. So we can take base is as DC into base will and height is AE. Okay, now DC we can take equal to 16 centimeters, and I told you why 16 centimeters. Write down over here, AB is equal to DC, which is opposite sides of parallelogram are equal, and since you can say AB is given as 16 centimeters. So 16 into height is given to us as 8 centimeters. We multiply this and we get our answer. So 8 into 6 is 48, carry 4, 8 into 1 is 8, plus 4, 128 square centimeters. Remember, the area of any any figure is given as square of that particular unit. So it could be square meters, it could be square centimeters. Here it is square centimeters. Okay, now that we have got the area of ABCD, so we can also write area of parallelogram ABCD as equal to same base into height, but here I'll change the base. We had taken the base as DC, now I'll take the base as AD, something that we need, and the height I'll take as CF. Okay, now area of parallelogram ABCD is given. We know, not given, we have found out 128 square meters. So I'll put 128 over here. AD is what we are asked to find in the question, and CF we have been given as 10 centimeters. I'll put 10 over here. So when I bring 10 on this side, it gets divided. So it will be AD equal to 128 upon 10. That will give us 12.8 centimeters. Okay, not square centimeters. Remember, this is not an area. We are just finding the length of one of the sides of the parallelogram. So it will just be centimeters. So it is we found it as 12.8 centimeters. There's no need of dividing. You can do the long division and find out 128 upon 10. You'll get 12.8. But directly you can easily get this because there is a 0. When we take the 0 on top, what happens is this is as good as writing 128.0. So when we divide it by 10, this 10 goes and this decimal point moves towards the left. As a result, it becomes 12.8. Got it? So with this we complete our first question, and with that we conclude this video as well. If you like watching the video, hit the like button, share it with your friends and classmates. Please subscribe to the channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.